Roswell Flight Test Crew here today at CES 2018 in fabulous Las Vegas, Nevada. I am here talking to Lane Walcott at the XDynamics booth. How you doing, Lane?
Very well, Patrick. Thank you.
All right, and you guys have got this cool drone back here. Why don't you tell me about it?
We are really excited about the Evolve. It's a monocoque carbon fiber chassis to it. Very strong, very stable. We use high torque motors. We also have a really clean 4K camera with a 2/3 CMOS sensor. Really clean machine, very aerodynamic, and it just has a very clean look to it.
That frame is strong. I mean, you can put some torque on that and it doesn't flex.
That's what I like about it. It feels gutsy to it, and people seem to like that.
Yeah, and then speaking of things people like, this controller, that's just amazing. Tell us about this thing.
We hear that from everybody. It is a game changer. The viewfinder is a 7-inch horizontal screen, and then we have a vertical screen with all the analytics. What that does, it allows you to have a clearer vision of what you're filming, and you don't have the distractions. Another great feature is that the ground station comes with a quad-core processor. It's a mini computer that you actually edit and send videos, pictures directly from the ground station. All you need is a hotspot, cell phone, and you can send your pictures immediately after filming.
The biggest thing I find with drones is you got to have it with you when you find something worthwhile to drone. Have you got a way of carrying this thing around?
We do. We have a great backpack. With the backpack, everything fits in its compartment, designed specifically for this drone. It's a great tool to carry the drone around with the ground station, battery, everything you need to film.
And you guys aren't just a one-trick pony. There are a number of other drones scattered around your booth here. Just in brief, what else are you working on?
We have the D02. It's a DSLR, a drone that carries that heavy payload. The Canon camera that's on it now is about 7.5 pounds, and it can even carry a heavier payload, about a 30-minute flight time with it. We have a little Razor that is in development stages, but we have a whole game plan from top to bottom of drones to fit every consumer interest level that's out there.
And then what about the fixed wing? What's its mission?
The fixed wing is an option that we are introducing for the first time this show. It gives an alternative to the copter drone. A lot of the similar characteristics, the same ground station, but it has different flight characteristics that you won't get from the drone.
Okay, so returning to the Evolve, the question I'm sure on everybody's mind is what's this Black Beauty going to cost and when's it going to be available?
Great question. The Evolve will be $24.99, and we're looking to receive drones sometime in March. We should be able to ship into March, beginning of April.
All right. Well, seriously, be keeping an eye out for this thing, because the aircraft looks great, I'm sure it is, but this controller, that's just amazing. All right, well, Lane, thanks so much.
Thank you, Patrick.
And from CES 2018, this is the Roswell Flight Test Crew, signing off.